I am starting the process of cleaning the Pioneer amplifier from the flea market, Pioneer SA 540, because it is filthy inside, and I will give you a view of before. So the cover is quite easy to remove on this thing, it is just 2 screws. And here we are, guys. As you can see, it is pretty sad. So we have lots of fluffy dust, not a little sticky but not too much, not too dark, so it doesn't not looks like it was in a smoker's living room at least, but it is still pretty dirty, as you can see. So I have no air blower or air compressor, so I am thinking about how to do. I think it will be a vacuum cleaner with a little brush first thing, and we'll see what is the result. So I hope I will not need to take it apart completely, because there are no connectors, there are wire wrappings, but I do not feel like I will. I do not want to unwrap everything. And the transformer is attached to the PCB, so it is not really easy. Maybe at least I can remove the backside and pull back the PCB if I need to access at the bottom area, in fact. But don't think there are lots of dust under the PCB. So I will see if I find some air duster can maybe to access these areas or something like this. So as you can see, this thing is pretty straightforward. We have a big transformer with copper shielding. We have fuses here with voltage selector fuse, protection relay, bridge rectifier, big caps. This must be the IC preamp, the phono preamp, operation amplifier. And here, really simple stuff. Just a few transistors, potentiometers, push buttons, and it's all. The only part which is fitted with a connector is this LED PCB. Apart from that, everything is hardwired. The power transistor are STK 2S probably A1104, and here SC 2579, so they are not all the same model. I think I have this one in stock because I did use them in the Kenwood amplifier I did repair. The heatsink is not terribly big on this thing, but I believe it is not very best, so not sure about the. It is given for 200 watts of power consumption, so let's say maybe 2 times 75 watts or 50 watts, not sure. The potentiometers need a lot of cleaning, but hopefully there are holes on the side, so I will be able to spray put a cleaner can inside. Okay, so next step will be to vacuum this thing out. Probably remove the front panel to clean out behind it also, and if needed get a better access to the potentiometers. So if we look at the bottom side, we have a nice access panel for the solder side of the PCB with only 2 screws, and it looks like the solders are really clean. There are a few minor cracks on some solders, but really it could be worse. No any sign of overheat of a PCB or anything. So this is looking good, at least. One of the feet is not original, but this one is the same height, so it is not a big deal. Okay, so next step is to clean this thing. I will do an update video when it will be cleaned, to see how it looks like when it is cleaned. For now, thanks for watching, bye bye.